Someone asked me what I would like to see. I'd like to see the people living peaceful, happy, free. Come together, talk about ecology, and dream a dream about how beautiful this world could be. Dream a dream about how beautiful this planet could be. Come together, let's walk the dream. Come together, let's dream together. Let's imagine a healing chant that goes through the planet and goes through the land, that goes through the air, goes through the sky, goes through the trees, all the plants and all the living things, goes around this planet and out to the universe and comes back with a healing vibration.